Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, collectors of adult age, Dave here again. Welcome to my empire. I'm a little late to the party on All Elite Wrestling Allure from Upper Deck. But you know what? It's never too late to open something cool and have a little fun. So that's what I'm doing today. I took advantage of a couple of Target's Target Week coupon things and decided to get 3 blasters because I did not have any of them yet. So here we go. I've seen plenty of these opened. They are very cool. You can get a lot of cool parallels and whatnots. We're gonna take this one off the top, move these to the sides. Crack that plastic. And we're gonna put that knife away. Come on, plastic. Been looking at these at a lot of different Targets and some of the flagship, but I don't know. I gotta treat myself today since I was doing good. I'm feeling good. Got MJF, Powerhouse Hobbs, and Tony Storm. Jeez. You got Sky Blue on the Title Ambitions Allure. Let's see. That's a blaster exclusive. Blue parallels numbered low. Blah, 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 blah. 6 cards per pack. 5 cards per box. There's all the stuff you can get. If you want to pause it and zoom in, feel free. So, 5 packs. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All crammed into the one side of the box. It's not that difficult to do. I'm going to put the box up there. They all feel relatively the same. We're just going to go left to right. Like I said, I have not opened any of these myself, so I don't know what I'm going to get. Besides fun. Starting off out of the first pack, Malachi Black. Very nice card. There's something red and shiny back there. There's the back of the card. We're going to put our base in one pile. We got Chuck Taylor. We have Allure. Let's see, what is this one called? This one is just the base high number, I suppose. Yeah, we'll put it there. We have a red refractor thing of Ruby Soho. That is the Red Rainbow of Ruby Soho. Not numbered. Snazzy card though. We have the regular rainbow. Oh, it's a table. It does have a table pattern in there. Look at that. That's cool. Let's see. Table parallel 1 and 2 packs. Sure. And then Preston Vance when he still had the mask on. Cool, cool. And let's put Sting over there. Next pack up. Trying to open it in a way that I don't spoil the last card for myself. We have Julia Hart. Very nice. We have Anna J. Our table is Max Caster. Very cool. A red and orange color flow of Jay Lethal. Very neat. I was wondering what the first color flow would wind up being. Very cool. Put that over there. We have Satnam Singh and Marquin. Okay, I like these cards. They feel good. Next pack out of the first box. Or this is the halfway pack. Let's see. What do we get? We have Chris Statlander in her black outfit, blue hair. Very cool. We have Ethan Page. Very cool. I like that guy. We have Hikaru Shida. Very nice. I'll do this. That's cool. We have a Star Futures Black Rainbow, I believe. Yep. Very nice. I'll put that there. We have a bunny on the table parallel. Very nice. And we have a Sting. These are nice cards. Next pack. Pack number 4 out of the 5. This one feels a little bit thick. We got a die cut in this one. It is. I think we have a double die cut. I think. No. Okay. We do have 2 die cuts in this pack. That's what it is. Lance Archer. We have Matt Jackson. We have Red Velvet. We have Title Fights, Hangman Adam Page. We have Ice Cream for Dr. Britt Baker and Dustin Rhodes. That's a silly one. Last pack out of the 5. Starting out with the Jeff Jarrett. We have Claudio Castagnoli. Matt Jackson looks like Black Rainbow. Yep. We have a Wardlow on the table parallel. Very cool. John Moxley, and to end the box we have Ortiz. Very nice. I like these. These are cool premium feeling cards. I dig them. Move on to box number 2. I'm going to go to the one on the left. Let's see. That plastic is cut. I'm off my game with this plastic stuff. It's been a while since I've opened boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. There they are. I'm going to stand that box up here, just like so. We're going to go left to right again. Pack 1 of box number 2. Wonder what other fancy things we're going to get. We have Jay Lethal again on the base. We have Star Futures Mark Wen on the black. We're just going to, that's a regular black, so we're going to put that there. Bryce Remsburg on the black rainbow. Yep. Star Futures on black rainbow. Very cool. Hikaru Shida and good old JR on the base. What will be our first fancy out of this second box? What will be my numbered card? There's got to be a numbered card in here somewhere, right? We have Serena Deeb to start us out. We have Star Futures Jamie Hayter. Allure. Allure is such a fun word. We have Taz on the red rainbow. Abaddon on the table parallel. Nice. Austin Gunn and Riho. Very nice. Pack number 3. The middle pack. We have another die cut in here. You have Anna J on the base. Penta El Zero M. That's a cool card. I like the Joker getup. We have a Star Futures Chris Statlander. Very nice. Max Caster on the table rainbow. So we have my squad, the Elite, who are no longer a squad. Not bad though. It's a fun card. And Angelo Parker. Second to last from this second box. What shall we get? We have another die cut in here. We have Eddie Kingston. Cool card. Star Futures Anthony Ogogo. We have an Eddie Kingston red-orange color flow. Very cool. A Title Ambitions MJF. That's a cool card. I dig that. Hangman Adam Page and Red Velvet. Last pack of box number 2, folks. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Let's see, the red and orange. Let's see. I haven't gotten an orange slice. Black. Red orange is 1 in 8, so it's the most common of the color flows. I want a green blue. Let's see, there's something in here. Kenny Omega. Star Futures Yuka Sakazaki. Sky blue on the black rainbow. The bunny on the table. Bryan Danielson and John Silver. So maybe there wasn't something in there after all. Moving on to box number 3. We're going to get the blade out. We're going to I need to sharpen that thing. Well, you can tell this plastic has been tampered with because it is goofy. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was hoping for a bonus pack. Don't we always hope for a bonus of some sort? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. That one feels thin. Wild. 4 and 5. That one feels fat. We're going to go left to right one more time after I scratch my leg. Okay. This one here. Start us out. Box number 3. What shall we find? Samoa Joe. Current champion. We have Claudio Castagnoli. We have Star Futures Colton Gunn. We have the table parallel with Cash Wheeler. Star Futures parallel, table parallel. That's pretty cool. Not numbered, but cool. And we have Matt Menard to round out pack number 1. Pack number 2. Wheeler Yuta. Start us out. Jade Cargill, Star Futures. No longer with the company. Buddy Matthews, Black Rainbow. Trent Beretta. He kind of went douchey. On the table. MJF and Daniel Garcia. Pack number 3, the middle pack. What have we got in pack number 3? Let's see. There is another red back there. Starting out with Colton Gunn. Ray Phoenix. Star Futures Anna J. Darby Allin on the, what is this one called again? Red Rainbow. Very cool card. Anna J on the table. And Lee Moriarty. Second to last pack of the break, folks. We have Brody King. Julia Hart on the Star Futures. Austin Gunn on the Black Rainbow. Scorpio Sky on the table. Excalibur and Dr. Britt Baker. Nice. Last pack. It's got to have all the magic in it. It's got to have a number in there. Let's find out. Starting out with Keith Lee. Athena. And Lee Moriarty on the Star Futures. Jake Hager on the table parallel. Title Ambitions Evil Uno die cut card. And last, Evil Uno. We got Evil Uno back to back. That's pretty cool. So no numbered cards, but we got some pretty cool ones nonetheless. What do you think? How do you think I did, guys? For 3 boxes, no numbered cards. You got a couple color flows, a couple of the red rainbows here. We got some die cuts. I dig them. I'm gonna end the video with the Darby Allin red rainbow. Deuces.